G'day, this is Great Boulder. We're making new discoveries and growing the resource base around Meekatharra.
Great Boulder has been stepping out from more defined resources into untested areas. We're following up geochemical targets generated from our auger sampling programs and new areas generated by recent IP surveys.
Our recent discovery at Eaglehawk is testament to the methodical process we've undertaken across the Sidewell project. With over 900 metres of strike just north of Mulgabill, Eaglehawk has immense potential to grow into a major deposit.
We're drilling deeper than ever before at Sidewell, with deep diamond holes planned at Mulgabill, Ironbark and Eaglehawk. We're also gathering important geotechnical and structural data for mine planning, as well as geological insights to use for future targeting.
Great Boulder's also been targeting analogues to Ironbark, with the same methodology being used that helped make the Saltbush and Sidewell South discoveries. We're drilling these new targets and other targets generated by our geochemical, auger sampling and geophysics programs, and we're looking forward to our next discovery.
Looking at new targets at Golden Bracelet and the Talval area, south of Saltbush as well as to the north of Eaglehawk, as these are rapidly progressing towards drill testing very shortly.
It's a great time to be drilling in Meekatharra, and Great Boulder are making the most of it.
They fixed it.